Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make two dishes. One is the Kali Masoor Dal, that is the full Masoor Dal, and fried Brinjal. It goes together, it's amazing, so you should try it. I'm gonna add heat up some ghee and oil in a pan, in a pressure cooker actually. And I'm gonna add some cinnamon sticks and a few cloves. I'm then going to add some cumin seeds to this and heat it up till it crackles. I'm going to add 3 finely chopped onions to this. And allow this to fry nicely till it is about medium brown color. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for visiting. Your support means the world to me, and thank you for the encouragement. If you do like this video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up and do comment and let me know if you do try this out. Once the onions turn about medium to dark brown in between, I'm adding homemade ginger garlic paste. So I don't use the store-bought one, I make it at home. And I've also used a red chilli paste, which is a combination of different ingredients. Do let me know if you'd like me to show you the recipe for this. Now I'm adding some tomato. This is about 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix well and allow this to fry for about 2 minutes. After this, I'm adding some turmeric powder, some chilli powder, coriander powder, and coriander cumin powder, also known as dhania jeera powder. Allow this to fry well for at least 5 minutes. Now I'm adding some garam masala to this. I'm adding 1 cup of black masoor dal, which has been soaked for about an hour. And some salt to taste. You can add this as per your preference. Mix all of this really well and allow the masoor to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding about 1.5 cups of water, or enough water to allow the masoor to soak in well. And now I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 whistles on a medium fast stove and 10 minutes on slow after that. Once this is ready, I'm opening the cooker to ensure that there's adequate water in it, and giving it a stir. And here we go. The masoor is absolutely ready. Now we move on to the brinjal. I've taken 1 big brinjal. I'm removing the top part of it and the bottom part of it. And now I'm going to try and slice it as evenly as I can. Remember, don't make the slices too thick or not too thin, and try to maintain the size of the slices that you make. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon cornflour, 1 tablespoon refined flour or maida, 1 tablespoon gramflour or chana atta, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt again as per your taste. I'm adding in some pepper as well. You can add about a teaspoon of pepper. And now I'm going to mix in about 1.5 teaspoon of oil and half a cup of water. Now water I would advise you to add in gradually, little by little, to check the consistency of the marinade. So please don't add half a cup of water right in the beginning. Try to add very little by little and mix and check consistency and ensure that the marinade is just right. This is a fairly easy dish to make and it's extremely tasty. Now that I feel the consistency is right, I'm going to add the brinjal and coat it with the marinade separately, one by one. It's important that you do this one by one and be a little patient in the process because all the brinjal slices need to be evenly coated with the marinade. Now I've heated oil in a pan and when the oil is hot, I'm going to put in this brinjal slices to fry. You can fry each side for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna flip it again. So I flip it thrice. Sorry, actually twice. Now you can remove it by taking out the oil as much as you can and fry in the remaining brinjal pieces. Follow the same process of flipping it in terms of time, 2 minutes on each side. You want to ensure that this turns out crispy and it's ready. So you can eat this by itself or with a dal, lentil, pulses, any kind of preparation that you prefer. I hope you enjoy it, try it out. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Bye bye.